So this is the D-Link 8-port Gigabit Easy Desktop Switch DGS-1008A. So it's an 8-port Gigabit network switch and we're going to unbox it. Let's do it. So this is the box, it's quite small. Okay, so here's the install guide. Step 1, plug in. Step 2, connect. Wow, it's so complicated. So yeah, this, so it's an Ethernet switch, so let's unbox it. Oh, this is packaged quite nicely, so here's the switch itself. So it's got 8 ports on the back. However, it doesn't have mounting holes, so you can't mount it underneath a desk or something. Would be quite useful in the use case that I'm going to use it for. Then we've got our quick start guide, which we won't be needing, and blah blah. Then in the bottom of the box, we've got our power adapter, which is 5 volts. So you could actually just power this thing with USB. Anyway. So yeah, that's literally it. That's the whole thing. So hopefully this thing works well. And yeah, we're using it to simplify our home network because it's currently a disaster of using 3 different routers and connecting Ethernet to all of those. So using this will make it a lot better. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.